So we have installed the Python code interpreter in our machine and it is running well. Now we need to install a code editor. My choice will be VS Code because it is free and it has a lots of extensions which you can download and install and make it an IDE. So what you can do, you can just click on this download button in this website, which is code.visualstudio.com. Just go to Google and just type like VS Code download and it should be the first link. So you can download that. I have already downloaded and installed my VS Code, so I'll not do that in this video, but the process is quite simple. Okay. There is some other versions as well, which I will be using. I will be using the Insiders Edition, which is basically the same, but it has it is basically the beta version of VS Code, and the features which are being available to the Insiders Edition will be available eventually in the VS Code stable release as well. But you do not need to worry. We will not be using some advanced features or anything. We will be just using the basic features with the help of the Python plugin. So you can download this. If you want to download a complete IDE and you do not want to set up anything, you can download PyCharm. It is by far one of the best IDEs for Python development, and it is specifically built for Python development, which is great. So here we have the PyCharm professional version, which has a free 30-day trial, and after that you need to buy that. Or if you scroll down a bit, we have the PyCharm Community Edition, which you can download. It is completely free. But one thing you should keep that in mind, that PyCharm will take some more resources from your machine than VS Code. VS Code is quite a light code editor, but sometimes it takes some huge amount of memories in the machine, but it should be fine. If you are having some trouble with VS Code in your machine, and if you do not have much RAM or the processing power, then you can use Sublime Text as well. It is completely free, the trial version at least, but you can buy that for $99, the pro version, which if you are doing some development work, I strongly recommend you to do that. But yes, but the free version, the trial version is completely free. So you can use that for development of Python programs. And why I am recommending that, the Sublime Text will take very less resources as compared to VS Code and also PyCharm. So you can use that. The download process for each of the editors are quite simple. You can just hit next, I agree, and so on, and your code editor will be installed into your machine. Okay, so we have installed our code editor as well. So in the next video, we will start writing our first Python code.